Today I'm going to show you how to do the perfect flat iron. So if we're starting from wet hair, a good thing to use would be the Smooth Infusion Style Pack. So just a couple pumps into your hand, mix it around, and then distribute mostly from the mids to the ends. You don't really want to stick that right on your roots because it can tend to be a little greasy. So we're going to start with our heat relief and spray that throughout. About 5 or 6 sprays for either side. Really focus on those ends. And let it comb through. And then just do a rough sectioning. If you have more hair, you can section it off into a few more sections, whatever makes it easiest to work with. So comb that straight down. And then if we have fine to thin hair, we're going to use a lower setting on the flat iron. Thicker, coarser hair, we'll use a bit of a hotter setting. We're just going to move that straight down. We want to keep that moving so we don't burn anything. Straight down. Bring down our next section. Really keep that moving, because your ends tend to be a little bit more fragile than everything else, and you really don't want to hurt those at all. Today I'm going to finish with the air control. This little spit down top. Flyaways. If you really wanted here, you could add in a bit of a finishing oil. There you go. Subscribe for more tutorials and check out the description box below for all the products.